Hey guys, Mello here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on social media on Facebook at Mello'z Nails and Instagram at Mello'z_nails. So in today's video, I am doing just a really quick short design. I wanted to do like a marble with this color that I got and from my local beauty supply. It was such a pretty blue color. I was like, I have to get this color. I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I saw another video of somebody, she did like a, I guess it's the rose quartz, but I was like, I figured this color would look pretty cool, you know, with a rose quartz. So I said I'm gonna try it. So here I am doing it here on this nail. Now the cool thing about this color that I did not realize when I bought it was that it is actually like a mood color, like a color changing acrylic. So when it gets hot, it turns white or clear, and then when it gets cold, it turns back to this blue color that you see here. So when I was doing the nail, I didn't realize, you know, that that's what was going on. I'm like, wait a second. At one point I noticed, I'm like, wait a minute, I know I put more blue at that point in the nail, like what's going on? And then I looked at the bottom of it, you know, and saw that it said, oh, it's a mood changing color. So that's what's happening right now. So as the acrylic was heating up, you know, as part of the normal process, the color, it was losing the color. And I was like, oh my god, so weird. But not weird, but you know what I mean, it's so cool. And I didn't even realize that's what was going on. So, you know, it gave a pretty cool effect to the nail. I thought it was pretty cool, and it looked really nice. I really liked how this nail came out. So I'm gonna just let you guys watch it, and you'll see, you know, after how light it is, you'll notice the color change after I'm done with it, after I come back after filing and buffing and everything. And you'll see how light the color is. You won't even see the blue. And then I, you know, come back, and after that I let it sit for a while, and then you'll see the blue start to gradually come back to it, which I think this was such a pretty color. So I'll let you guys go ahead and watch, and I'll come back at the end. Okay, so here it is now after I've filed, shaped, and buffed it, and I'm just wiping it with an alcohol wipe. And you could see how white it was, but as it cools off with the alcohol wipe, you can start to see the blue color is coming back as it gets cooler. It took it a while, I guess, you know, it wasn't that cold in my room either, so it took it a little bit to come back, but you can start to see the color coming back now. And that blue to me is just so pretty. I really like that blue. But so you can see it's like gradually coming back. I know it seems like I'm wiping a lot with the alcohol, but I was really trying to cool it down so you could see the color come back in. So here it is. I'm just kind of showing you guys what it looks like. And there, so then I go in with my top coat, and I'm gonna top coat it, and then you'll see it again once I take it out of the light, that all the blue is gone again. So you know, the color changed again in the heat, and then again it cools off, you know, once I take it out. So there it is again, you know, all the blue is gone, and then there it is, there's the blue is more or less back. And that's the final look after it's top coated and it's cool. So here I'm just showing you the color that I used. See, it says Mood on the bottom, and that was from my local nail supply store. So I'm definitely gonna be back. But thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.